Nobody will enter this National Assembly today. Anything they want to do, we are going to task. Nobody will enter the National Assembly today. Enough is enough. What is our offense? What did the police do to them? They see us as nothing. Nobody will enter the National Assembly today. Nobody. We repeat it and we stand by it. Anything they want to do, let them do it. For somebody to come and pay me 3 million naira for 5 years in service. No way. Nobody will enter the National Assembly. Nobody.
It is what they want, and we are ready to die here. That's the rules.
Thank you. Today, we have decided to block the National Assembly. No coming in, no going out. The Senate President and the other honorables must come out to address the situation. No going back. No, we cannot accept this.